Here's a quick video on how to access the Student Lingo workshops or Student Lingo tutorials, whatever you want to call them. We're going to be doing at least two in this section. One is on developing a strong thesis statement. Another one is on avoiding plagiarism. So these instructions will be how you go about accessing, completing, and submitting the Student Lingo assignment. So first thing you do is go to csn.edu, and then you want to go to login. Now I'm already logged in, and depending on how much you've used this screen, you're going to have all the different apps that you've used recently. You can also add some to your favorites. What we're looking for is this one that says My Coyote Success. So if you don't see it on your home page when you log in, you can just go to this search button right here and you can type in My Coyote, and you see it right there. Oops, Coyote Success. Click on that. You're going to need to log in again, which I'm already have my stuff saved. Now, it says I've already completed developing a strong thesis statement because I have, but in theory, you won't have completed any when you first do this, okay? But if you've taken some for your other classes or just on your own, it will list all the ones that you've completed. So what you want to do is find the workshop that you're looking for. So the first one we do in this class is developing a strong thesis statement, and you could probably just type in thesis statement or some keyword, hit enter, and it will list it right here. And it's, again, for me it says I've completed it, but it won't say that for you. So click on it.
Welcome to Student Lingo. The following tips will help you get the most out of your workshop. First, use the left side menu or the arrows at the top of the page. You can close the menu at any time by clicking on Hide and reopen by clicking on Menu. Your progress is saved, so you can log out and log back in at any time. From the left side menu, select Notes to take notes by section, and Transcripts and Resources to view descriptive transcripts and helpful resources. Captions and volume controls are located in the play bar. At the close of the workshop, you will need to complete an evaluation and rate this workshop. Please be sure to click the Mark Course Completed button at the close of the workshop. You must complete all of these steps to receive your certificate of completion and receive credit for the workshop. If you need technical support, please use the support link under the left side menu. If you have any assignment or school-related questions, contact your school directly.
So when you first open up and get into it, it plays a very brief, 1-minute video on how you can navigate the video and stuff like that. So once you viewed that introduction video, you click next page.
Hi, my name is Stuart Ehrlich, and I've been a writing teacher for 12 years.
And you can see this is where the actual tutorial starts. Now you'll go through different sections within the tutorial.
I'd like to talk to you today about thesis statements. If there were one gift of that topic or its significance, really build a good, solid thesis statement.
So I finished the first section, and then it says click next section. And then it tells you, congratulations, you've completed the first section. And then just hit next section.
So a typical writing assignment that many first-year writing classes require is a narrative essay, trip to the Delaware fishing. And I'm going to show you how.
You hit next section again, and you do this so on and so on until you reach the end of the tutorial.
So the thesis really is a prompt, and it's to make that thesis. So let's look at some examples of thesis statements to help us get our heads around how to write them, to make a thesis statement and its two pieces make a little more sense. So now what I'd like to do is spend some time looking at thesis statements that aim to be specific. So I think that part of the thesis statement is working pretty well. So maybe in this case, we just have to get that bit about going to Columbia somehow in that last sentence, and then we have a clear. So presuming you've done some of the initial work thinking about this question for this narrative.
So once you've finished all the sections, you are going to be prompted to take a quiz. So this is why you don't just want to rush through the videos and not actually watch it, because then you're not going to be able to complete the quiz and you're not going to be able to get credit for it. So go to the quiz and you're going to get about 10 questions based on what you viewed. I'm going to go through them. Now when you've answered the last question, go to see results right here. And it will tell you how many you got right. Obviously you want to get 100%. Now from here, you want to go to this button right here where it says next lesson, which is a little confusing, but go ahead, click next lesson.
You're almost there. Please complete the following steps to view the action plan, earn your certificate of completion, and receive credit for this workshop. First, download the action plan from this page. Next, please complete the evaluation on the following page to earn your certificate of completion. Lastly, be sure to click the Mark Course Completed button to receive credit for completing this workshop.
So the video that you watch, which again is very short, it's about 30 seconds, tells you basically how to finish up the exercise. It tells you to click over here for your action plan. Now you can download that and fill it out if you'd like, but I'm not requiring you to do that. So you can skip that step if you like and hit next page. And it just reviews your it takes you to a survey and you give your response. Then hit next section again. And then it tells you, congratulations, you've completed the workshop. And it asks you to give you feedback, which you don't have to. You can if you like. You could write something here, whatever. Next, when you're done with that, go to Mark Course Completed. You're almost done. And it should pop up this certificate right here. So it says Certificate of Completion, Diana Woodhouse, developing a strong thesis statement. And what you want to do is screenshot it on your computer. You can do that through your computer, or you can use your actual phone to take a picture of it. But what you need to have is a screenshot. Then what you need with that screenshot is log back into Canvas go to our course, now with this picture of your certificate of completion, you're going to go back into Canvas and submit this picture as a file upload for the assignment, for that Student Lingo assignment in Canvas, right? It's just like when you're uploading a document for an assignment through Canvas, except instead of uploading a document, you upload this picture file. And when you save it on your phone or on your computer, this picture file, make sure that you save it as a JPEG, a GIF, or GIF, however you say it, a BMP, a TIFF, or a PNG. Any of those files will be fine, but it needs to be one of those picture files in order to upload it. So that's how you go about doing it. You can, if you're doing a different tutorial, then you would just find the appropriate tutorial, but these are the instructions for it.